My name's Nick Bezates. I own Bezates Construction Incorporated out of Beaver Creek, Oregon, and I do primarily field welding, mobile welding, and fabrication. The first two questions that I end up asking a lot of times for jobs is, how close can I get my rig? So what's access look like for dragging leads out and everything else, or is there power available? And the Venture answers both of those questions first thing, because then it doesn't matter if you have power there, you can bring it with you. And it also doesn't matter if you can get your rig close, because you are completely portable. The arc is very, very stable. Coming from a battery, like, the voltage is very, very stable. If you're trying to accomplish a job and your charge time is approaching 2 hours, that doesn't leave you in a very good spot for welding continuously. And the Venture takes care of both of that. With 2 batteries, it's got a 30-minute charge time in rapid mode, so you can be running pretty well constantly the entire time.